Hey everyone, our group members are Kirat, Zoe, Olaid, and myself, Vishan. Our topic was about Deepmind and its applications in healthcare. So let's start off with what exactly is Deepmind. To define it in simple words, it is a general purpose artificial intelligence technology. Google's Deepmind is a British artificial intelligence company founded in September 2010 by Demis Hassabis. General purpose AI technology means that the machine learns from the experience and data. It can perform well across wide varieties of tasks just by practicing with itself thousands if not millions of times.
So, what is the goal of DeepMind? The goal of developing DeepMind is to solve intelligence by combining aspects of machine learning and system neuroscience to build powerful general purpose algorithms. Its purpose is to understand the human brain. You might be wondering, how does it work? Well, the artificial intelligence from DeepMind uses a technique called reinforcement learning, in which the system becomes its own teacher. The system starts off with neural network that knows nothing about the game. It then plays game against itself, combining this neural network with a powerful search algorithm. And after thousands of tries, it becomes capable of playing a game just like a professional player.
The DeepMind is already capable of playing games like Montezuma's Revenge, Mario, Brick Breaker, Space Invaders, Pac-Man, and many more. In this video, Demis explains how DeepMind starts playing Space Invaders, knowing nothing about it.
Is the machine before training. So this is literally the first time the machine has ever seen this data stream, and it's controlling the green rocket here, and you can see it's losing its 3 lives immediately. So it's basically terrible at the game, as you would expect. Now after training, this is like overnight, we leave it playing the game overnight on a normal computer, so for about 8 hours. You come back in the morning, and now it's superhuman level. So now the machine can play Space Invaders better than any human can. It's modeled the world, the game world, so well, it knows where the Space Invaders will be ahead of time. So as the Space Invaders speed up, when you get less of them on the screen, it fires the final shot as a kind of predictive shot of where the final Space Invader will be in a few seconds' time.
Let's learn about some of the advantages of DeepMind in healthcare. Artificial intelligence can assist in diagnosing cancer. In 2017, DeepMind announced a partnership with Cancer Research UK, aiming to improve breast cancer by applying machine learning to mammography. With hundreds and millions of medical cases that are being stored in Google's database, the artificial intelligence could learn from how doctors diagnose each case. How will this help? Well, the DeepMind could compare and contrast all data it has and can learn different ways by which doctors diagnose a disease.
DeepMind artificial intelligence system can identify eye diseases and make referrals. The artificial intelligence system was developed by researchers from Moorfield Eye Hospital, NHS Foundation Trust, University College London, and DeepMind. It was designed to identify 10 features of eye diseases from optical coherence tomography, also known as OCT scans, and recommend an appropriate referral. To ensure the artificial intelligence system was making correct referrals, clinicians reviewed the same OCT scans and made their own decisions against which the artificial intelligence recommendations were compared. The artificial intelligence system also provided information to explain how it arrives at its recommendation. This would allow clinicians to scrutinize them and check accuracy before deciding on the type of treatment a patient receives.
DeepMind can help in understanding the protein folding. Proteins are complex molecules that are essential to life, and each has its own unique 3D shape. Knowing how proteins fold to create different shapes could help scientists understand a protein's role within the body. This discovery might help treat diseases believed to involve misfolded proteins such as Parkinson's disease and cystic fibrosis. Predicting the shape of proteins is a major unsolved challenge in science, and we've already seen early signs that our AI systems could accelerate progress in this field. Okay, so our question for the class is, how does Deepmind know the correct output of the game?
There are a number of benefits that DeepMind artificial intelligence could offer to the human race. In future, the artificial intelligence could take most of the jobs, leaving only those which require creativity or are emotional in nature, something that artificial intelligence might never achieve.
After many decades of trying to build master computers and algorithms, it turns out that the best blueprint was in our heads this whole time: the human brain. It just depends on how we use it to our own benefit.